This video shows you how to replace the fuser of your printer. Depending on the model, the appearance of your printer may vary. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Open door A. The inside of the printer might be hot. To reduce the risk of injury from a hot component, allow the surface to cool before touching it. Unlock the used fuser. Insert the new fuser, and then lock it in place. Close door A. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.